My name is Steve Helms, and I'd like to show you a new item we've developed called the 3-in-1 truck tie. What the 3-in-1 does for you, it allows you to take any stake pocket on a pickup truck and make it into a really usable tie-down point. Now if you'd like to use the ratcheting type straps, you install it with the ring side towards the pickup bed. This ring is large enough that you can put 4, 5, 6 of those ratcheting straps on and not worry about it. On the other hand, if you're going to tie your load with a rope, you'd like to have a nice solid cleat. So you install the cleat side towards the bed, and now you can tighten the rope each time you pass it over your load. Now today we're going to haul a couple of dirt bikes in some pretty rough territory. I want to show you just how strong this item is. So we'll install it with the ring side towards the bed. It's just that easy to put in. You take your ratcheting straps, put one for each bike. Now that you've got your straps in place, simply ratchet down to compress the suspension, and these dirt bikes are going to stay. Don't worry about them coming loose no matter what the terrain. The 3-in-1 truck tie is made of an incredibly strong nylon plastic. Since it is plastic, it allows the truck tie to self-align to the direction of the stress. Another advantage is, of course, that being plastic, it's not going to scratch your truck. So let's go test this product. Let's go have some fun. Well, we gave you a little demonstration on how tough this 3-in-1 truck tie is. Now, it's called a 3-in-1 because there's 3 things it does. Now, the last thing that you haven't seen yet is how to fasten on a blue tarp. Most states now you have to cover your load, so covering it with a blue tarp and tying it down is a disaster waiting to happen. But this makes it simple. All you have to do is put the tarp over the stake pocket and insert the truck tie. Okay? So we're going to cover this load. Put the tarp over, insert the truck tie. So you see just how quickly you can cover a load and yet have it truly secure. One of the hardest loads to cover is a flat load, one that doesn't come over the top, over the height of the truck. This makes it simple. That's as flat as you're going to get it. Well, we've had our fun for the day, and as you can see, the 3-in-1 truck ties were up to the task.